Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to order alcohol on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here, or go ahead and open up the application on your mobile phone and go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Grubhub, where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. If you're on your mobile, it's going to look a bit different, something like this, and you'll have all the options at the bottom part of the screen. So guys, now let's go back to the Grubhub site, and now as you can see, let's go ahead and get started with ordering. So guys, to be able to order alcohol, you have to be over 21 years of age. So make sure you're 21 because they will ask for your ID every time. And after you're sure you want to order alcohol, then you can go ahead and search from where you want to order it. You can either use the search bar here at the top of the page, or you can just click the alcohol section that appears right here at the main screen. So now this will take us to this page that sells alcohol. You can go ahead and select what you want to order. Go ahead and open up the website. Go ahead and select what you want to order. Let's go ahead and say I want to start a new order because I have a previous one. Just go ahead and select what you want to add and click on add to bag. So guys, go ahead and click on add to bag, and after adding it to the bag guys, you can now proceed to the checkout and go ahead, and as you see, you must be 21 plus. You just click accept if you are over 21, and then you can get started ordering alcohol. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.